Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a small but very important detail in PCB design. Via solder mask settings, or in other words, how to control whether your vias are covered or exposed. Let's start with the basics. On a PCB, there are lots of tiny holes called vias. Their job is to connect different layers of the circuit together, and each via can have two states, covered with solder mask or left exposed. When a via is covered, it means it's been sealed under the solder mask layer. Think of it as putting a little protective coat on the copper. This can prevent oxidation and reduce the risk of short circuits, but it also means you can't directly solder onto it. When a via is not covered, or what we call open, the copper surface is exposed. That makes it easy for soldering or testing. But since there's no protection, the copper is more likely to oxidize or short. You can think of it like this. Covering the via is like putting a lid on it so nothing touches it. Leaving it open is like taking the lid off so you can access it freely. Now let's see how via cover settings are controlled in EasyEDA. Basically, this is managed through a parameter, the solder mask expansion. The expansion determines how large the solder mask opening is. If it's positive number, that means the via is open or not covered. If it's a negative number, for example, negative 1 mm, that means the via is fully covered. Here are a few examples. If the expansion is 0, the opening is exactly at the edge of the pad. If it's 0.5 mm, the opening is slightly larger. If it's negative 1 mm, the entire via will be completely covered by the solder mask. So in short, use negative value when you want to protect the copper, and positive value when you want copper exposed for soldering. If you want to manage all vias in your PCB at once, without changing them one by one, you can use the design rule settings. Just open the design menu, go to design rule, and find the expansion section. Under that, you'll see solder mask expansion, and you can adjust it for the top or bottom layer. Here you can directly control the expansion value for vias or paths. For example, set it to negative 1 mm for covered vias, or 0.4 mm for exposed vias. You can also switch between units for more precise control. That way, you can manage all vias in your design at once, quick and efficient. To wrap things up, via covering is part of the PCB solder mask layer, manually used to protect the copper or make soldering easier. In EasyEDA, positive pad expansion means open vias, and negative expansion means covered vias. By using the rule settings, you can manage all vias in bulk, making your design cleaner, faster, and more professional. With this approach, you have full control over via solder mask settings, and your PCB design will look more polished and reliable.